Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: iPhone up to date, Fitbit app installed, and your Fitbit account active. Once ready, sign into Fitbit on the iPhone and enable Bluetooth. Now open Apple Health so you can start granting access. Make sure the Fitbit app is running in the background. It needs to request permissions. This initial phase is quick but essential because permissions control what data can flow between apps. Proceed immediately to connect accounts and accept data sharing prompts. Next, in the Fitbit app, locate Health or Data Sync settings. This is where you authorize Apple Health. Once there, toggle Read and Write for key categories like steps, heart rate, sleep, and workouts. Make sure you explicitly allow both read and write where needed so data flows bidirectionally. After granting permissions, check Health app sources to confirm Fitbit appears and set priority for conflicting metrics. This mapping prevents duplicate entries and keeps the timeline accurate as both systems exchange data. To finalize, force close both apps and reopen them. That often triggers an immediate sync. Then check Apple Health and the Fitbit activity feed to confirm recent steps and workouts appear. If things look mismatched, wait a few minutes for background updates and make sure your internet connection is stable. If syncing stalls, go back to Health permissions, toggle Fitbit access off then on, and as a last resort reinstall the Fitbit app. This permission reset resolves most persistent sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.